This was a conservatory that we just didn't use because one, it was just too hot. And obviously with my wife being ill with MS, it wasn't good for her illness because she couldn't sit in it. So it was a room that was just a dead room. The conservatory, we've been here for about 15 years, and I think the conservatory is probably about 10-12 year old, something like that. The other roof were about 12 years, but we had all sorts of problems with it, you know, and leaking and lifting, and so we decided to go with a more conventional proper roof so we could monitor the heat and we could use it then, you know, as a room. We just had it built because we've got 3 kids, and just so that we could watch them in the garden basically, you know, but it was just so hot that no one was using it. It was just breaking televisions and everything, so we had it altered as it is now, so we can use it as part of the house basically. We saw TWS and we almost went with them, and then we went with somebody else, and unfortunately the company knows they took us money. So we have had quite a rough time with it. So we went back to TWS because they was the ones that actually was on the top of our list, and we'd seen all the reviews and we'd seen people talking about them, and it was just a mass mistake on our part of going with the other company. We decided we should have come with them anyway, so we decided we'll go with them. So we went with them and they were fantastic. They came, they were very professional, very quick, very nice lads, got on with them all. So I looked after them, getting them drinks and stuff, you know, and they were really great. They were fast, quick, clean, but really, realistically it were 3 days. They came back just to finish off and make sure everything was perfect on the 4th day as a final sort of final touch to it, really. We just had all the roof done, yeah, the old roof taken off, they took it all away, and this new roof put on, yeah. Obviously my wife, as I said, she's in a wheelchair, so she wasn't coming to this side, so we couldn't see our grandson playing in the garden, and it was just a massive room that we just weren't using, so we've had it all changed down here so she can go from one end to the other and go straight through it in an electric chair, so she can get straight through to the garden now. She won't even get into the garden, you know, so, and because the temperature's okay for her now, like it's just like any other normal room in your house, you know. Oh, definitely satisfied, and we have recommended them to other people as well. Yeah, with Mandy's mum, which is obviously my mother-in-law, she's been after one for a while, so we've recommended it to her, which she's in negotiation where she's thinking about doing it, and a couple of friends as well, we've also mentioned it to. But basically it's because of the quality of the finish that we liked, you know, and the way that we treat while they were here, you know, they're really good people. So.